What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, Shiba Inu now at 33.35 or 33.45 really, and we're actually slowly but surely leading back down to our previous support. So we're going to be talking about this. We're going to talk about what's going on next with Shiba Inu, and we're going to talk about a lot of stuff that we have going on fundamentally with Shiba Inu. We have a lot going on fundamentally. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go straight over Shiba Inu. So as you can see here, Shiba Inu is in control by the bears by pretty much 80% in the last 24 hours. So what we need to talk about here is the oscillator. Like you can see here on the oscillator, we were so oversold right here, but that led into an overbuying area. Now we're being overbought. So what comes next? We're probably going to go back down and get into another oversold area. But I do want to mention a lot of stuff here that I'm noticing here at Shiba Inu. So our supply and demand areas are huge. We have so much demand from Shiba Inu. All the way from here, look at this. From all the way from 33.000033, right? All the way down here to 000030. So we have a huge area of demand for Shiba Inu. That just pretty much shows it's going to be very hard for Shiba Inu to go below the 30 area. Right now we're at 33.42, but it's going to be very hard for us to go below 30. So I do want to mention over here the other supply and demand showing less demand that's very small. So the areas showing less demand is very small. I also do want to mention, I know I got a lot to mention here. So we got to go over and check the whole overall crypto market because we can see everything's starting to do some recovery right now. So 2.3% in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin back at 48K. It is definitely looking good, but we are supposed to have some news coming in from the Fed later on today. So that's pretty much going to tell us whether or not the crypto market's about to crash or not. Because if he comes back with some, some bad stuff for the whole monetary policy and all that good stuff, then we're going to have a huge drop in crypto. People are going to sell out because they're going to want to hold their cash. All the talks about inflation and all that other stuff, which would be way better to hold your money in crypto. But now riskier assets are about to be going down because of what's going on. So we're really hoping that this is some really good news that comes out. We're hoping that he just tries to pat people on the back and say it's going to be all right. But let's just hope for the best. Anyways, let's move on from all that stuff. So getting off of the technicals here for a little bit, let's look at some other stuff for Shiba Inu. So you can see here this huge rise in price action. That was actually a nice rise in price, and we had about $1 billion being traded in the volume right there. So it was lots of buying going on in Shiba Inu, not too much selling. Only up 0.3% in the last 24 hours because we pretty much just got back those losses that we lost. So I want to talk about some other stuff also with the whole Shib army. Look at this. We're at 1,062,963 people in Shiba Inu. That's 1,062,963. And earlier yesterday we had 1,060,915. So about 2,900 people overnight, almost 3,000 people. That's a lot of people. A lot of people are joining in on the whole Shib army. So shout out to all the new Shib army representatives out there. It's the whole Shib army that pretty much makes this the best community out there. But let's move on to the next thing. So leading Spanish cryptocurrency exchange at Shiba Inu. So we have a big exchange that has now added Shiba Inu, and that's pretty much a big Spanish one. So the Spanish Bit2Me and the Indian Uno coin or Uno coin became the latest cryptocurrency exchanges to announce the listing of Shiba Inu. So this is another major listing for Shib. Two major listings for Shib, really, and this is really good. So Bit2Me, one of the leading exchanges in Spain, so it's European Spaniards, announced it now supports Shiba Inu. So the company listed the popular meme coin because of the massive interest from locals. So locals are really looking at this and liking this. So they're seeing a good opportunity here. And also, more merchants are accepting Shiba Inu, but we're going to be going over that lately, or soon, actually. Anyways, Shib crosses the Spanish border. So Shiba Inu saw the light of day last year, but became highly popular in 2021 as the meme coin crazy, propelled by Dogecoin and its most supporter, Elon Musk, most prominent supporter, blah, 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 all that good stuff. But we want to get to the good stuff here. So following the trends and attempting to satisfy the locals' desire, Spain's biggest digital asset trading venue, Bit2Me, has decided to list Shiba Inu. The company announced to the news of their Twitter today on December 14th. Here's their Twitter, and here's the whole announcement. You can see over here they have 30,000 followers, but they're big out there in Spain. So this is definitely very good for us. And as you can see here, Portofin and Amiros, or whatever you want to say that is, at last we add one of the cryptocurrencies that you have asked us the most, and that's Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So we got two big things that we just now got listed on here. So it's the first ever meme currency on there, which is La Primera Moneda Meme, or whatever you want to say, meme, which would be inside Spanish. But yeah, that is definitely very good news that we finally got that on there. So shout out to the Spaniards out there. Shout out to all the European Spanish people out there. They're now about to hodl Shiba Inu. Like, you're now about to be part of one of the largest crypto communities out there. So shout out to all the European Spanish people out there inside Spain for all this good stuff with Shiba Inu. Shout out to y'all. Y'all are like the best. Now we got more people in the Shiba army. That probably explains why we got a whole nice 2,900 people who came into the Shiba army last night. So that's definitely very good news there. But yeah, this is really good news. And on top of that, you got the whole Uno coin, which is inside of India. So, anyways, founded in 2014. That was when Bit2Me was founded. So shout out to them for that. But now Sheep and the Doge also got listed to Uno Coin inside of India. So that's another big thing here that's really going to help us out a lot. So here is the Uno Coin official Twitter, and they have about 38,000 followers. So that's a good amount, and there's a lot of people inside of India. So that's going to help us out a lot as well. So anyways, as you can see, another major digital asset exchange that added support for Shiba Inu and Doge. Indian exchange, really good stuff here. Shout out to them for adding us, and shout out to all of the fellow Indian people out there holding Shiba Inu, holding Shiba Inu for the long run. Hopefully they don't come in and try to do the buy in and then get out. But hopefully they're inside crypto and Shiba Inu for the long run, because we have big potential with Shiba Inu. But anyways, shout out to the new Spaniards and shout out to the new Indians that are now with us inside the Shib army. So moving on from here now Shiba Inu dominates Australia, India, and the Philippines as majority of investors flock towards the meme token. So now we're dominating Australia as well as India and Spain, and we're also dominating the Philippines. So there's a lot of stuff going on here for Shiba Inu. So we're really taking over right now. So yeah, Shiba Inu is now dominating those countries. We're going to keep dominating in more and more countries as we keep going. Popularity of Shiba Inu soars inside India. India has one of the largest populations out there. So this is definitely really good for Shiba Inu to be dominating inside India as well. So we're dominating inside of Australia, Philippines, all of that good stuff. Philippines' top trading platform, Binance, listed Shiba Inu, and investors are purchasing the meme token in droves. So Shib has a strong standing in Philippines, and investors are purchasing it as the price is relatively low. Shib is seen as a low-hanging fruit, and it is affordable to the common investor in the island country. So at the time of publishing, Shiba Inu is at, well, it was at 3267, but now it's at 3369. So all the people out there in the Philippines are definitely profiting off of Shiba Inu right now. So shout out to them. So yeah, we got a lot of good stuff going on for Shiba Inu. And yeah, as I said, I was going to go over this as well. So more merchants support Shiba Inu payments as the 1 cent milestone remains a dream. So we're getting more and more merchants supporting Shiba Inu. So about 40,000 stores across the US accept Shiba Inu. That's a lot of stores right now. So the list of companies that are already accepting Shiba Inu payment consists of the following 5, of which are integrated through Flexa. So GameStop, that's a big one. Nerdy Flames, Ask the Doctor, Petco, another big one. Lowe's, which another big one. Bed Bath & Beyond, another big one. Ulta Beauty, that's probably another big one as well. Shiba Tea, they got a Shiba Tea and Coffee company, and the Shiba Mobile Repair. So there's a lot of other things, and AMC as well. So we got a lot of different people now accepting Shiba Inu at their stores, individual shops, and we also have big companies and corporations accepting Shib. So that's all good and stuff. And also look over here, we're also going to be getting a game coming soon. So we got a lot of good stuff going on for Shiba Inu. This is literally what's going to send Shiba Inu to the moon. This is what literally will help Shiba Inu become one of the best cryptos out there. Anyways, this is really all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over all this and let you all know where we stand right now with Sheep. We have a lot of good stuff happening here with Sheep. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.